step from our oppression will not be easy. The first step is one of love, because we will work for what we love.
What is happening to our mother earth?
Like we see compassion and love are part of our mind. Still, I believe the dominant force of our mind is compassion.
What is happening to our mother earth?
Mother is a symbol of compassion.
All of the elements within this cycle of creation work together harmoniously.
Because they are nature existence, see, nature law of existence. You need harmony. You need a sense of responsibility. Because of nature. So they accept nature. They follow according to nature's system. Nature or say, right?
Spirit and nature. Spirit and nature. Spirit and nature.
You see, taking care about planet is nothing special or nothing sacred or nothing holy. It is just something like taking care of our own house. We have no other planet, no other house except this.
What is happening to our mother earth?
Respect others' right and listen with different ideas.
We are distant cousins to the stars, and we are near relations to the oceans, plants, and to all other living creatures on our planet.
Science and technology under control of hatred will be destructive. Science and technology with human affection will be constructive.